Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really nice bus right here. So this is what it looks like. And drive around. It's pretty big and nice and neat with a front that's just like some of the other vehicle builds I've made, like the garbage truck, well, the tow truck, that car, and also that custom mock truck. They all have the same face from the set 10704 garbage truck. And also I added a little hinge here just to add some detail. And it has a bunch of tiles on top, which is pretty nice, and some windows. On the back there's a special blue window, and the front two windows don't have lines separating them in between because they're newer windows. And these are the older Lego windows that I bought like long ago, ancient Lego pieces as I like to call it. So let's take this thing apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so the first part of our bus we're going to assemble is the basic chassis, or like the bottom of our bus. So first you need 3 axles, you need one 1x4 flat piece, 2 of these 1x1 lights, like bright transparent 1x1s, and 2 of these 1x6 pieces that are full. So first, we need to place our wheels. And where we're going to place our bus's wheels are at here and here. So we have a nice, stable bus. And then we need to put these 1x1s onto this 1x4 flat piece so that we can stick it on the bus later by doing this. This is going to be the bus's tail light. And we're going to need this later, so we're not going to use it just yet, but we're going to use it to separate the wheels. So let's keep that to the side since we're going to need that. So now let's take apart the bus. Alright, so I've taken apart everything, so I'll show you all the pieces you'll need. You'll need 2 base plates of depending size, or 1 depending on how big your bus is. Also a random amount of tiles depending on how big your bus is. 1 front, which is composed of a telephone piece. 2 of these 1x2 flat tile 1 circles, and one of these 1x2 grills, a 1x2 connector, and a 1x2 grill on top. And also you'll need 1x3, well, 2 1x3s, 1 2x4, 1x4, and 2 1x2s, and also a bunch of snot holes, also depending on size. Bunch of these 1x1 pieces, which also depend on size. And also the amount of windows depends on size. You will definitely need a bunch of these 1x4 tiles and 2 of these 1x3 tiles. So now let's put everything to the side so I can show you how to build it. So first, we're going to place the base of our bus, which are these 2 base plates, and they're going to go on the bus all the way down. Then we're going to add our front that looks like this, and then we're going to fit all our pieces into here. And these 2 1x6s go right here. We can just move the wheel forward and then place these 2 pieces. Now we have separation, which is good. Now place these 2 1x3s on the side like this. Let's put that back. And we have this little floating bit right here. Well, it's not a floating bit anymore. Whoa. Well, careful. Yeah, that's the thing about this. Better be careful where you're placing things. Okay, so now we got that gap filled. So now we add this 1x4 and these 2x2s to the end, like that. And then we fill everything in the middle with snot holes. Like that. And on the other side too. And let's also fill that middle bit. Like that. And then the same on the other side. Just to make sure that the bus is symmetrical. And you'll see why these snot holes belong here when we get to it, which will be not that long. And maybe instead of this and these 2 up front, maybe we could just change these out for those, which is actually the right way to do it. So now let's fill up this area right here. And fill this with 1x1s. Like that. So now we have the base of our bus. And now let's place our 1x4 tiles on the side. See? That's why you need these. They help make the bus look cool. And then white 1x3s in the middle. Like that. And then we can place our windows. This window will go in the back. And these windows will go on back here, on the other side, and we'll keep going until we reach the very front of the bus. And we've filled the windows in all the way, like how the bus is supposed to look. So now the bus looks like this. And now we can fill in the gaps. So these have the round ones first. And then we put a pattern where we have the white ones on the bottom and then the blue ones on top. That's how these one That's where these 1x1s go. So let's keep placing. And let's go over here. And now this side. And we've filled this side up, just perfect. Now we need to fill this side up with the blue ones. Oh, and a window fell in. So let's fix that. And we're about to finish up. Let's put that back. And now we have almost completed our bus. So now we can just place our 2x2 tile pieces on top. And we have it all the way. Let's do the same on this side. Uh-oh. Oh no, a tile's stuck. You better shake it out. There we go. That's fixed. And we can fix that. And do the rest. We don't want the tile falling in again. And almost there. And now put this last tile at the end. And that's our bus completed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time.